Saddles and Clubs.
Saddles and Clubs.
Nay Cavite.
Favorite bootleg, Arsenal and Pretty Bull, Eye for an Eye, and Triple Threat, and the Rough. Early lead is taken by Arsenal by the rail, and on the outside is Pretty Bull. Pedro Penduko moving up now with Triple Threat. Entry number 1, Bootleg, Eye for an Eye, and Gifted Talent is bringing up the rear. Pedro Penduko on the outside. By the rail is Triple Threat, Arsenal, Pretty Bull, Eye for an Eye, and entry number 1, Bootleg. And rounding the pattern, Triple Threat moving up on the inside, Pedro Penduko. In between horses is Arsenal and Pretty Bull on the pattern outside. And here comes Eye for an Eye now closing in, and Bootleg. And at the last bend for home, Pretty Bull, Triple Threat, Arsenal, Pedro Penduko. Eye for an Eye moving up on the pattern outside. At the top of the stretch, Triple Threat by the rail. On the outside is Pretty Bull, Arsenal, Eye for an Eye. On the pattern outside, it's Pretty Bull and Arsenal on the outside, and Eye for an Eye on the pattern outside. By the rail is Triple Threat. It is now Eye for an Eye on the outside and Pretty Bull by the rail. And finally at the payoff line, it's Eye for an Eye, Arsenal, Pretty Bull, Triple Threat, Bootleg, Pedro Penduko, and Gifted